Ooh, a Charmander. Got him.
Steven. 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 Steven.
What?
Do you know what sounds good?
What?
Sesame chicken from the buffet.
During a pandemic, you want to go to a buffet where people touch the spoons and...
Steven, I am a gift. Don't you want to show me off? I think sesame chicken is worth taking the risk.
No. I'll make it.
You make sesame chicken for me?
I will make it for you.
Oh my god. That is why I love you.
I gotta fight Team Rocket first, but yeah. After that. Okay. Or now.
Fine, just tell me when it's done.
Fine. I will. Hey, it's your old pal Hollywood. We're gonna make some sesame chicken. Gonna start, 2 eggs. Then we're gonna whisk them. Whisk it real good. Just gonna add just a pinch of black pep, tiny little bit of salt, just a pinch. Now, I'm gonna cut up our boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Pop these in the freezer for a little bit so they're easier to cut. Don't have to, but it's easier to cut for sure. You just want them in your bite-sized pieces. You know, whatever's manageable for you and whoever you're cooking for. Making it for children, probably smaller. The smaller the piece of chicken, the faster it's gonna cook. That's all it is. Now you could totally use chicken breast for this, but it's not going to be as good because the chicken thighs are better.
What's that?
That's my preference. Oh. Okay, for a dry mixture, I just have 3/4 of a cup of cornstarch and 3/4 of a cup of regular AP flour. That's all-purpose flour. And we're going to hit. I just added a pinch of salt and pepper, by the way. Get our chicken chunks all eggy. That way the dry will stick to the chicken. Get that yummy, crunchy deliciousness. Okay, that should be good. Our oil is just about at 350, which is right where we want it. Okay, everything is pretty well coated, so we are going to get to frying. Alright, oil's at 350. We're going to start dropping some chicken chunks up in it. Be careful, splash will hurt. Sure, you already know that. Don't want to go too much at a time, because dropping that cold chicken in there is obviously going to bring down the temperature of the oil. So I did about 1/3 of our 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs. Get close. It's that unsung rule in the restaurant industry: if it floats, it's done. No, it's not. You check it. You still check it. Okay, batch number 2. Okay, I threw the rest of the chicken up in there. Give it a stir, make sure it's not sticking together. Alright, for the sauce, we're going to start a tablespoon of garlic into a moderately hot pan. Just a little bit of oil. Toast that up just a little. Ketchup, half cup. Honey, some good old-fashioned local honey. Quarter cup. Now that we're adding sugary stuff, I'm going to turn the heat down to low. You don't want to burn it. Is that right, Sean? Don't burn the
Paprika. I mean sugar.
Yes. Quarter cup brown sugar. Soy sauce. Third cup. Pinky out. Tastes better.
It's part of the recipe.
It really is. And you feel fancier while doing it.
That's exactly a third cup. Neat. So that worked out well, eh? Recycle. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds. A 1 and a 2. Also going to add 2 tablespoons chopped green onion. I'm going to add more because I like them. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. A little goes a long way with that. Very powerful. 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. 1 tablespoon of sriracha. Alright, we're going to bring that up to a simmer. After a quick taste test, needs a little more brown sugar, another quarter cup. Now,
Come on, give me that. Yep. That's the sauce.
That's the sauce.
okay, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. I'm going to whisk that in, bring it up to a simmer again, let the cornstarch do its thing. That will thicken up our sauce. Then we can toss in the chicken and eat. Make sure you whisk the cornstarch in really, really, really well. Alright, let's check our sauce. We're definitely thickened. We're looking good. Sauce is screaming hot. So we're gonna add our chicken, toss our chicken, then we're gonna eat. Alright, we're gonna toss. You can just mix this with a spoon or a rubber spatula if you want. Do this family style, as if we were at a buffet.
This looks so delicious.
Let's give it a try. What do you think?
I'm on it. Oh my god! This is so good. I give you the best ideas.
You do. You really do.
Steven, you should have your own cooking show.
Might be onto something with that.
You're welcome. Steven, you're so good at cooking.